Programming. In this video, we will try to derivate one time signal, arbitrary waveforms and sine waveform together. So, using the control system and simulation toolkits. So, for that, right click here, come into the block diagram, click on the control system and simulation, come into the simulations, click here. Now click on the control system and simulation loop. Control system and simulation loop. Okay. Now right click, come to the front panel, right click, come here, take one enum control. Okay, right click, edit item. First will be y equal to x to the power x square, y is equal to x square. Second will be the sine, x, okay, and third will be the arbitrary. Arbitrary. Okay, done. Come into the block diagram, right click, come to the structures, take one case structure and place here and make a connection like this. Now first one is x square, so come into the simulations. In a signal generation there is a simulation time. Take this simulation time, right click, come to the numeric, take square functions and pass it. After that right click, come here, continuous, take a derivatives, connect here, right click, build array, now second one sine, right click, come to the signal and signal generator, takes the signal generator, double click, frequency should be 0.16, okay, make a connection. After that we need to search lookup tables for the lookup tables, 1D lookup tables. So now right click in the border, now right click in the border of array, click on the add case lookup table, take lookup table, double click and open it, click here and now try to write some numbers. So what number we need to write? Okay, so if you want, okay, so I have written earlier, so I will use that once here. Okay, you can copy from this platform to here. I have written earlier, so I am going to show you what you have to do. What do you need to do? Okay, you need to do, I am going to show you. So now this one, double click. So first write the value 0 1 okay, click here, 0 1 2 4 5 6 7, these both will be the 7, okay, 7 8 9 10, okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and it is data 0, look at the 0 1 1 1, okay, so it is axis data, Okay, it's x-axis data, it's a y-axis data. 0, first one is 0, second one 1 1, then again -2 0, this one is 0. If any kind of interpolation will be available, so you can see each and every data. After that 2 and 2, then -1 and -1. Okay, okay. Wait, I think I need to, okay, so this value, after that press OK button. Now come here, graph utilities, take a graph utility, place here. Okay, now come into the front panel. If you done, so come into the front panel, double click and try to find. Okay, this is here, where it is. So the plot 1 will be, so the plot 1 will be the original signal. Okay, and plot 2 will be the differentiate signal. Now, okay, I will right click, I will click on the stack plot, then I will increase the size, and here I will write derivatives of the function. So derivatives of the function, derivatives of functions, sorry, derivatives of functions and function ft here. I will right click, I will open the label, simulation time, right click, okay, right click here, properties, scale, click here, click this one, okay, run. So now there is one thing is okay, right click, sorry, double click, open it, change the ordinary differential equation solver methods, change it to the Runkuta 1, place Control T, run continuous, show it 1. So this is for the x is equal, sorry, y is equal to x to the power, y is equal to x square. It's for arbitrary and it's for sine, arbitrary and sine. Okay, it's differentiation. So please try to design this program when you will done. Okay, if you will like, you can like the video. So thank you for watching this video.